Thank you for joining us again, guys. So welcome back. So this is gonna be the community restroom. It shares with the other rooms in the house upstairs. So what you see right here is the tile is covered up because it's drying, and it matches the other restroom. And what the crew is doing today, they're gonna install the door, wait for the vanity counter to come in with the mirrors, and then here it is. Here's the restroom, the shower, the standing shower with the tile that's drying and it has been laid down nice and straight and precise. And the canister lights are being put in as well up there. Okay, so like I said, today the boys are gonna paint the room and install the vanity when it arrives. This is the community bathroom. Okay, thank you for joining us for these ones, guys. Anaheim Hills, California, and we'll catch you in the final video.